In this video, we'll first give an overview of Zoe, then we'll dive deeper into how to use it. Customer success is a team sport, and Tatango empowers your organization to make customer success everyone's business. While your customer success team primarily works in Spark, Zoe gives access to customer data to any employee and enables them to participate in cross-functional, proactive customer impacts. Zoe works for you where you work. You can use Zoe in Slack, Zendesk, directly in the web, and more. Let's dive a little deeper to see how Zoe can work for you. Zoe gives your team access to all the data you have about your customer in a full account profile. If you're on the web, simply search for an account by name or ID, and Zoe quickly provides an account profile that contains key information, account health, a timeline history of your company's engagement with the customer, and more. Or let's say you're in Slack. Maybe you're at a conference and suddenly run into a customer or are walking into an unplanned customer meeting. You can quickly use Slack to pull up information about the customer so you'll have all the information you need to have a meaningful conversation. After you've met with the customer, you can then log a touchpoint so everyone else in the company has insight into the recent interaction. Some of the other ways you can use Zoe are within Salesforce or Zendesk so that team members who primarily work in those programs have customer data at their fingertips. Let's learn how to use Zoe in more detail. First, let's view account information. On the web, you can search for the account by name or ID in the search bar. Select the account you're looking for, and you'll see the account profile. The account profile contains key information at the top, KPIs and value metrics, and customer health. It also allows you to see a timeline with the customer's entire history with your organization. In Slack, you send a direct message to Zoe to ask for what you need. There are specific commands to use, but if you aren't sure what to ask, simply say hi, and Zoe will guide you in how to find what you're looking for. To bring up account information, I'll write TMA, which stands for Tell Me About, and then the name of the account. Logging touchpoints into Tatango gives your entire team visibility into the customer's experience and history with your organization. On the web, simply click the green Quick Actions icon when you're in the account profile. Enter the touchpoint and save. Now you'll see that it's displayed on the timeline so the rest of your organization can see it. In Slack, write Log Touchpoint, and Zoe will prompt you to log the touchpoint for the appropriate account. Segments are filtered lists that provide you with actionable insights. You can search for them by name and find the information that you need. On the web, you'll use the search bar at the top of the page to search for your segment. You'll see that the segment has filters at the top, and it brings you the results you were looking for. You can also adjust those filters. Here, I'm going to adjust the contract value range that I'm looking for. In Slack, write Find and the segment name, such as Find Renewals. Customer success is a team sport. Zoe will help your entire organization work together towards the success of your customers. By using Zoe, let Tatango work for you.